Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's Sunday, so I'm gonna be giving you guys a quick update on the portfolio. What did I buy on Friday as a DCA investor? I also want to show you real quick the picks for the December weekly challenge, so you guys can vote later today when I post the poll. I'm still not 100%. I haven't gotten my voice back fully, but I still wanted to give you guys a quick update. So let's go right into the buys that I made for the portfolio. And of course, guys, as I do every week, I start with buying one share of SCHD. $29.49. That was also the share price. So bought one more share of SCHD, and I also updated the SCHD count table that I have for all of us. So I'm going to show you that in a second also. And then the next one was $15 into Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, one of my only positions in the red. So I'm still continuing to buy and bring down my cost. Share price was at $25.97. And then my next one was $15 into VYM, my other high dividend yield ETF. Share price was at $134.61. Then my next purchase was another $15 into J&J, Johnson & Johnson. Share price was at $155.33. This one is also under my cost, so I'm going to continue to bring down my cost and continue to buy some more. Then my next purchase was Vici, $5. I just threw $5 into Vici, a cup of coffee. No big deal. It's above my cost. That's why I only threw $5. If it was under my cost, I would have put some more money. Share price was at $32.76. And then I threw $5 into Visa, ticker symbol V. Share price $314.69. This is what I'm going to do until hopefully the share price takes a little dip, or maybe I just have to bite the bullet and just go ahead and throw $20-$30 so I could get to 4 shares, which was my goal for this year. So those were all the purchases for the dividend portfolio, and I made one purchase on the growth portfolio, which I'm sure you guys are not going to be surprised, but I put $75 into Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. Share price was at $167.91 for a total between both portfolios in purchases of $158.92. And if we go into the dividend portfolio, you guys can see right here that it is at $19,000 in market value. I have not updated Visa and Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, because both of them are paying me dividend in December 2nd, which is on Monday. So, which in the Fidelity website, it was not giving me how much the total cost basis was for each one, so I just didn't update it. But Pfizer was showing I am at 22 shares, and Visa I'm at 3.8, I think it is, something like that. So I have not updated it, but I will update it probably tomorrow, Monday, once it clears. And then if we go into the full portfolio, which is both of them together, you guys will see that I have $21,000 in market value, $3,200 in the green, 18% in performance between both portfolios. Go a little bit over to the left. And I have 160 shares of SCHD. Oh, and in cash, I have right now $101 in the growth portfolio and $394 in the dividend portfolio right now in cash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab like about $25 for the September weekly challenge, and these were the picks that I'm gonna decide to do, and I'm gonna post the poll later today, so don't forget to vote, guys. Very important. I really like posting these polls, and I like when I start looking at the results and see the percentages, and I'm like, okay, everybody voted for this one, or some people voted for this other one. So as you guys can see, in November, I feel like it was a success. $121 put into the S&P 500. I liked it. Definitely was awesome. It's in my top 5 spots now. Once again, the S&P 500 in my positions, because I bought quite a few. So I kind of want to do something similar to the one that wins this for the month of December. And I'm going to start showing you the picks, which it was the very first one I'm choosing is Vici. Uh, Ticker symbol VICI is one that I want to continue growing because it pays me in one of those off months. I really like the company. The company has very good earnings so far, and they have a very nice dividend yield. It's a real estate company, so they own a lot of the buildings in Las Vegas and in other. They own also real estate in other states, but their main line of buildings is in Las Vegas. So this is one that I really like. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere anytime soon, probably in my lifetime. So that's one of the other reasons why I like to invest in this company. So Vici is one. I want to continue growing the dividend in those off months. So this is the first pick. Then the second pick is gonna be once again the S&P 500 Index Fund FXAIX. I really want to continue growing also this position. I feel safe. Low dividend yield, but it's okay. It gives us some growth to the portfolio, like that. The portfolio is not always in the red or it's not growing at all. So it's one position that I like to continue growing. Then the next one is another single stock, which is Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO. This is one that I have not bought in quite some time, and I want to continue growing this position. If we go back into my portfolio, you guys will see like it's almost all the way at the bottom. Even if we look at the dividend portfolio, as you guys can see, it's right here, 7.6 shares only. I only have $440 invested in this company. My cost per share is $57.74. I'm in the green by 11%. And the share price right now is at $64.08. I don't mind putting like $15 or something around there, which at the end of the day, at the end of the month, I'm going to have maybe one more share, at around this price if I put like $15, $20 every week in December. So that's not that bad. One more share of Coca-Cola like that, it brings up my position a little bit more. So that's why I put it on here as one of the positions. Let's see how many votes it get. And then the last one, it might be a surprise to you guys, but I'm gonna explain to you guys why I put it in this weekly challenge, in the December weekly challenge. But it is going to be SCHD. So they pretty much why I put it on here is because if SCHD wins, I'm not gonna buy just one share every week still. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna buy one share on Friday and one whole share on Monday as the weekly challenge. So I'm gonna do my regular contributions to it on Fridays, but then I'm gonna buy one extra share on Monday. So that's gonna be the strategy with it if it wins, because I really want to grow that position also, especially with the highest dividend coming up right now in December. It should be the highest ever, pretty much, because they continue to grow it every December, right? And they pay their largest dividend in December. So with December coming up, I do not mind buying two shares every week, at least for the first couple of weeks before the ex dividend date. That would be awesome. That's gonna give me a very nice dividend next month, and it should be my highest dividend ever, I think, in a month. So that's why I put SCHD in here. I'm gonna post a poll later today, so don't forget to vote, guys. Very, very important. And then also, I wanted to know your opinion. I'll probably post a poll later on in December. Should I continue this into next year, into 2025? Should I do something different? I liked it. I think it was awesome. And it helped me build some of my positions, which is awesome. Even more. So I really liked it. I think I want to do it in 2025. But leave me your opinion in the comment section. Very important. And then if we go back into my portfolio, let me go into the full portfolio. Google is one that I'm buying. Right now, I'm at 2.9 shares. I do believe I'm going to buy some more next week. with the cash that I have, which I have $101. I'll probably throw like another 40, $50 into it, honestly, because I want to buy some more Google. I want to grow this position a little bit more. My cost per share is at $152.75, and the share price right now is at $168.95. I'm in the green by 11%. Google has a 0.5% dividend yield, pretty much. But let's see how they grow their dividend. They just started paying it this year in June. So I want to grow that position right there. So I'll probably throw some cash in it. And if we go into the dividend portfolio, let's take a look at what the income looks like. And as you guys can see, estimated yearly dividends, $587 in estimated yearly dividends from this portfolio. $48.94 of estimated dividends per month. So I'm almost at $50. I'm almost there at the $50 per month. That is awesome. Then per week, $11 per week of the year, $11.29 per day of the year, $1.61. And if this portfolio worked a 40-hour week, it will get paid 28 cents an hour, which is awesome. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Very, very close to my next goal, which is 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm like 12 subscribers away, 11 subscribers away. So please don't forget to subscribe. And then leave your opinion in the comment section. I'm going to post the poll later this morning, so you guys can go ahead and vote. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.